Good morning. Today I'm working on some custom window sills, so we'll show you a little bit about that. So what had happened is over the years these tile sills have gotten chipped and cracked like that one, and she wants to clean it up. And so we're going to enhance these big windows in this place. It really looks awesome. They have 6 big windows going to the backyard. And so we're going to break up these tile, get them out, and then replace them. She chose wood window sills with an apron, and so I'll tell you a little bit about that as we go along. Hello everybody. Hey, I'm here finishing up the window sills, and we'll zoom in to kind of show you what we did. So here's all the pieces. We took out the tile, and then we've got the trim on these 3. Remember, there's 6 across, and then we have a nice trim underneath and decorative piece on the ends with the tail, so it looks good and also kind of hides that edge. We had to do a little bit of touch up on the walls, getting the tile out, and then tied it together. Now, on measuring these, it's not just one measurement. We want to measure from the front across, and then right here on the sides to if there's an angle. So we match that angle and we can get a better joint. And then the depth from the window to the front wall on each side in order to get the exact measurement for each window. And that way the caulk is more minimized and they fit a lot better. And then leveling them up so that way all 3 windows, the window sills are the same, and they look nice and even when you step back in the room and look at them. So we've got them all wrapped up, they're all touched up, and we're good to go. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to get with me, and have a great day.